everyone, how are you doing? Today I am going to be unboxing my Play by Sephora. But first I wanted to say that I am going on a little trip, so I might not be posting for a few days. I'm going to try and make some videos while I'm gone. But don't worry, if you did want to see the full list of giveaway prizes, I will do that video. Some people said they wanted to see it, some people said maybe to wait till the end. So I'm gonna post it towards the end, probably like the 31st, the last day. So either if you want it to be a surprise, it'll be the day the giveaway ends, but you still have a chance to see the prize beforehand, or you can just wait and watch that video afterwards because it'll be just around the ending time. So thank you for being patient with me in advance. But anyways, I'm just going to get unboxing. So if you do not know, Play by Sephora is a beauty box. It is $10 a month, and to my knowledge, it only ships to the United States. Please let me know if I am wrong, because I have been wrong about that in the past. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. It says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. So it always comes with like a little pamphlet, and there's always a little thing stuck on here that's for Sephora points, or Beauty Insider points they call it. So you get 50 points. It says you can shop in store or online. To be honest, I've never taken advantage of that, but I really should. And then there's usually like some kind of theme. So this, if you can see, it's pretty big. It says last minute looks for Halloween, and then it gives just some ideas. Hey look, there's a cat one. So that's cute. I'm not gonna read all of that to you, but that is what that looks like. And on the back of the handout, there is stuff on all of the products you're getting, which I have not peeked yet. So I am super excited because I think I'm getting foundation, which never happens to me. Okay, so and then inside the box there is a bag. So they used to give different types of bag, like canvas bags, but now they have like resealable plastic bag, which I think is fine. You can recycle this. I'm just gonna dump it all out of here. So I'll start off with the one thing I already mentioned. It's the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Foundation. And I think this brand doesn't have names for their colors, just numbers. Let's see if it matches. I'm so curious. I think other people have gotten this before, and I feel like some people are like, oh, they always send us a Makeup Forever product, but I've never gotten it, so I'm happy. And I guess this is is that focusing? Well, this is what the front looks like. So this is what, 5 mLs, and it's Y245. I think that would be the color name. Let's see. Ooh, this is really light. I'm like the only person that's like excited about that. I'm like, it's light. So it looks like it's kind of yellow toned though. I kind of put, that was just a little bit, but it's a lot. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm excited to try this. I think it might work. I mean, it's close enough that maybe I can do something. It might be a little dark on my hand. Can you see that? But I am excited to try it out because I've always wanted to get like foundations and stuff, because I really am on the lookout for like the best new foundation, or like any good one, because I really don't know. I don't have a favorite. All right, so let's see what it says about this. This is a full coverage liquid foundation that controls shine and blurs imperfections. I could use some blurring. And it says, this oil-free, water-resistant formula evens out skin tones and mattifies for a no-shine finish. Plus, it lasts for hours, so you can go from the office party to the after party. No touch-ups needed. Apply starting in the center of your face and blend out to the edges. Remember, a little goes a long way. And that's true. It covered my whole hand pretty much, and I barely took any. So that'll be a good sample for that. You know, if it works, it'll last a little while. So awesome. Oh, and I guess I forgot to mention the theme is Scary Good Beauty. It says grab a handful of these beauty treats that are sure to get the party started and keep it going all night long. Awesome. Oh, I see something in here I actually already have, so I keep peeking at the list. Oh my god, this is a good size of it. I'll bring this to Chicago because I really like it. This is the Cadelli Vino Perfect Serum. And you may have seen me use this when I did the derma blending, or derma rolling. Gosh, blending's in my mind from that foundation. The derma rolling video, because I used it after I derma rolled, because that is what I use every day. I was actually just thinking about that. I'm like, what am I gonna pack for my trip? Like, I don't need to bring all my skincare, but I'm like, but I also want to keep continuing what I'm using. So I really like this stuff, and I know the full size is pretty pricey, and that a little bit is all you need. So this is awesome. Let's see what it says. says an oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. This lightweight brightening formula combats the appearance of dark spots with natural ingredients, plus it absorbs quickly into skin for ultimate hydration. Apply a dime-sized amount to cleanse skin morning and night. And I really do like this and recommend it. I love it, actually. So I took my bag out to fill up with stuff I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna just drop that one right in. Awesome. Super excited about that. So I love about sample size. It's perfect for travel. All right, the next thing, this is Tarte Radiance of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. I've never used this before. I might have seen it in like a foil packet and something before, but let's see. So this is like a pretty small, 3 mLs. And it says it's a hydrating primer that refreshes skin and protects it from environmental pollutants. And this fast-absorbing primer softens and smooths skins with algae and marine plant extracts. Hyaluronic acid delivers moisture so skin appears visibly firmer and suppler. And it says before applying makeup, massage this into a dime-sized amount of the skin. Awesome. Never tried that before, so that's exciting. And then the next is by Fresh, and this is a pretty good size. This is a soy face cleanser. It's rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. That's cool, it works on eyes too. So this is 20 mLs, so that you can definitely get some use and know if this works for you or not. And this, they say this is a gentle gel cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without drying skin. Your post-costume party go-to. This face wash tones, soothes, and softens skin for a healthy looking complexion. Amino acid rich soy proteins help visibly support natural elasticity with cucumber extract calms skin. And that's awesome. Cool. Excited to try that. I used to use some Fresh products. I haven't in a while, so awesome. And then there's 2 more things. And this is Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Let's see what I hope it's a matching color. I'm getting low. I'm trying to get better at doing my brows. So this is a tinted brow gel that creates natural looking fullness and definition, and I think I've used this before and I really did like it. So let's see what color it is. Yeah, I think this is the color I used before. Is 1 the color, or is this a step of the process? I think it might be the color, because usually don't you use like a pencil before you use the gel? I don't know, but it looks like it'll work, so I'm excited. And it looks like the color I've used before. Oh yeah, 1 is light, okay. It says Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel and 01 light. So this box was customized to me, which is great. Oh, I almost pulled my earring out. Pulling my hair. It's hot here. Oh my god, tomorrow in Chicago, it's gonna be in the 40s. What am I gonna do? I'm used to it being like 90 degrees and like sweating. Now I'm gonna be like, I'm cold. Anyways, it's a volumizing gel that uses a small tapered brush to apply tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hair for bold brows. And the no-fuss applicator tames brows and keeps them in place from moonrise to moonset. It says apply in short upward strokes using the brow brush. Use a tip to define your brow shape, then blend and build to your preference. Cool. You know, I might just like bring this whole entire bag with me to Chicago since it's all right here. So I'll be able to tell you guys more about it soon. Oh, and the last thing's perfume. And this is a good size for travel too. See, samples, some people don't like getting these boxes, but if you travel a lot, it's really nice. So this is a bonus item, I guess. So this is by Replica. I don't know, this is the packaging of it. It's for female and males. Let's see. It says it's a sea-inspired scent that begins with a splash of aquatic accord, then dives deep to reveal coriander before settling on notes of red seaweed essence. Okay. And you can see it doesn't come all the way full, which is pretty common in perfume samples, unfortunately. Ooh, my nails are awful right now. I'm getting my nails done on Friday before the Elton John concert, so I can deal with it for now. Oh my god, this, when I saw red sea inspired, I was hoping it would smell like this. It kind of does smell like a good man. Yeah, or like a hot man, what you would want them to smell. I don't really mind the scent for myself. Oh my god. I like it. Yeah, direct spray. Oh my god, this smells so good. But I won't lie, it reminds me of a man. But like in a good way. I really like that. Oh, I love the scent of like sea stuff. I don't even know how else to describe it. It's so good. So if you want to know, the fragrance family is fresh. Top notes, aquatic accord. Middle notes, coriander. Oh wait, I already read this. Base notes, red seaweed essence. So that's what it smells like, if you know what that means. So anyways, I'm happy with this month. I'm actually gonna bring all of this with me on my trip because then I'll have a facial cleanser, a primer. Hopefully this works. I'll bring another foundation too, but a foundation. I might even try this tonight. I'm just curious. I just love playing with makeup. And I know the Gimme Brow works, so yeah. I'll just throw these in. They're so small they'll fit into my bag, but I'll bring other stuff too. So I'm super happy with this. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't get over it, you guys. So I've been wanting to get foundation forever. I'm excited to try that, even though it might be a little dark for me. Looks like it oxidized a little bit, but we shall see. So anyways, thank you all for watching. And again, if you don't see a notification from me tomorrow, I'm gonna try and do videos while I'm in Chicago. I might even try and document the Elton John concert a little bit if I'm able to. It'll probably be like phone recordings for that, but I'm super pumped. So yeah, that's where I'll be. If I didn't tell you already, I'm going to well, I did tell you. If you didn't see my video where I told you, I'm going to see Elton John in Chicago, and I'm super pumped. So yeah, so I'll be gone there for a week, and then I'll be back to my daily routine. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.